Hey guys, welcome to a unboxing video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Fidget Cube. This is a knockoff Fidget Cube I got. It is gray and black. So as you can see, we got click, spin, flip, glide, roll, and breathe. And we have a plastic piece so that it doesn't get damaged in the box. Just set that off to the side. You can see we got the Fidget Cube, and it's got this nice like protective layer of plastic that's somehow stuck in there. And we'll worry about that later. So here's the cube. Now I'm going to show you each and every one of the sides, starting with click. These are 5 little buttons. 2 of them are silent, so when you click them, they do nothing, and the other 3 make a little noise. It's actually really nice because when you're at home, you can like just click whatever you want. If you're at work or school, though, glide ones, you can actually do them. So the next side is going to be spin. There's a little disc, a little bump here. You grab your finger on it, and then just kind of rotates around like that. It's actually pretty nice. We'll probably have to put WD-40 on that, though, because that is not too smooth. And it's not bad, though. It's by no means bad. The next side is the flip, which is actually one of my favorites, to be honest. Because you can actually balance the light switch in the middle. Jokes aside, it's really satisfying. Like, listen to that. That is so satisfying. It's basically just a light switch, and if you put some pressure on it, it's like, it's not as loud. Just a little click, though. And then glide. This is a joystick. It moves around like that. And a little cool feature on this, you can actually push it down, too. It's this nice little click. So, it's not that loud. It's actually really nice for, like, test taking. And we got roll. These gears are a little stiff, but luckily they're not as loud as other Fidget Cubes may be. Obviously can't use these in school, but you're at home by yourself. It's alright, I guess. And then there's a little ball that you can roll. Though it doesn't click, it's extremely smooth. I like that. Okay, the last one is breathe. It's a little soothing stone. Rub your thumb on it. It's supposed to relieve any stress you got. But you want to get one of these, you probably find them your local like Target or something. $10, $5 maybe even. Worth the money. Definitely go get one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.